What's up with it? It's your girl Brooke, and you already know what time it is. I'm back at y'all with another prank. Jordan's in the game room right now editing a vlog, and I kind of figured I'd just go ahead and mess with him while we're just kind of chilling out right now. So y'all know how I recently just went and got my wisdom teeth taken out, and I was going through a couple of boxes, and y'all, look what I found. So it gave me the idea, like, I just got my wisdom teeth out. What if I just, like, started coughing up blood? Like, what the fuck would Jordan do? Oh, it's gonna be scary. You know, we in it to win it, right? We in it to win it. So let's go ahead, smash that like button for your girl. You know, Team Brooke in this bitch. Let's go get his ass. So, oh, and y'all, I went all out with this one. Like, I went ahead, fuck. I went ahead and I set GoPro, so you already know. Let's just go ahead and go get his ass. Come on. You almost done?
Yep. But I gotta do another one, so.
Yeah.
Why?
No. Jordan, you need to get me a new chair. This thing
What's going on?
makes me nervous.
You alright?
I don't know.
Hey, you was smoking a cigarette?
Ooh, that hurt.
You okay?
Kind of felt like I was smoking a cigarette. I don't know.
Go get something to drink, bro. Make some red Kool-Aid. Go get you some. Red Kool-Aid cure everything. Give me some too, shit, while you at it. Never mind, Brooke. Never mind. Baby.
What you mean?
Don't make me none because you sitting there coughing like that. I don't want to get sick if you sick. You need some medicine?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What? Oh my god. What? You alright?
No.
Bruh, what the Let me see.
Oh my god.
Is it the tea?
I
Stop.
don't know.
Stop, Brooke.
I can't.
Get some water here.
I can't help it.
Hold on, let me go get a cup. What is that? Where is that?
Jordan, is it my teeth? Can you see it?
I don't know, Brooke. Getting on the carpet. Damn, babe. Hold on, man. What happened? What happened?
I don't know. It just feels like I'm like choking down mucus right now.
Okay, let me see. So is that your teeth?
I don't know. I just feel like blood coming from somewhere.
Let me see. Bro, I can't fucking see, dude. Here. Here. Stop, here. It's hot. You don't want no hot water? Oh my gosh, why is the water not getting cold, bro? What side did you turn it on? Here, drink some water. Drink some water! Come on, man. Come on. Come on, just come on. Come on.
What?
Come on.
What?
About to take you to the fucking dentist. I don't know if I need to take you to the dentist or to the doctor, bro. Here, just get this. Come on, wipe your hands. Hurry up.
Can you see it or
Yes,
no?
come on, just come on. Go get some shoes. Where your slides at?
They're in the bedroom.
Bro, where are your slides at?
I don't know. I thought they're not in the bedroom.
No, they right here. Here. Come on. Come on. You gotta get that toilet paper. Don't get it on the floor, Brooke.
Baby.
Come on.
Hold on.
Come on.
I gotta get a toilet paper.
Brooke, come on.
I
No.
gotta get the towel.
Oh my gosh. Okay, well, let's go. The fucking mouth is bleeding.
Jordan, wait. I gotta come in here. Jordan, come here.
No, Brooke.
Don't be there. Jordan, wait. Wait.
You fucking shitting me, Brooke.
Baby, it was a joke. It's a joke. I feel like a vampire right now or something.
You look about stupid or something. Damn.
I think I got it in my mouth. Baby. Y'all see how he pulled up my hair?
You got my damn heart rate up for no reason.
You missed half my fucking head.
It don't matter, bro.
You literally missed half of my head.
I try to keep out your hair. I try to keep it out your hair. I'm not kissing you. Red ass lips.
Oh, my baby was trying to take care of me, y'all.
That shit is not.
Y'all, making myself cough like that hurt like fuck. I feel like I still need to get a cough out.
You're an idiot.
Team Brooke in this bitch, you already know what time it is, right? See that shit stain in my hand?
Yeah, it look like some Kool-Aid. You know the little pack
The Kool-Aid that you made?
No, I'm just saying when you get the little, you know, when you get the Kool-Aid seasoning stuff on your finger, then it turns red.
The Kool-Aid seasoning? Is that what you just said?
Get the hell away from me, bro. Dumbass.
You're the one that said Kool-Aid seasoning.
You know what I meant, bro.
Baby.
Coughing up blood and shit. You better not be wasting my damn Kool-Aid first. Get your hands off me.
Anyways, Team Brooke in this bitch, y'all. Oh, my baby was taking care of me. He's so sweet. Jordan.
Ah.
I hope our neighbor didn't hear that.
She can get it too. She can get it.
You just
too.
tried to throw a table at me.
Well, you shouldn't have got out the WWE ring.
What the hell?
Tables, ladders, and chairs.
That's fucked up. Anyways, Team Brooke in this bitch, y'all. I need to go wipe this shit off before it like stains forever.
Bro, you got that shit on the carpet too, bro.
Did I?
Yes.
On this carpet
You
or
play too much.
the bathroom carpet?
Yeah, so guess who gets to buy some more?
Shit, I will. Where
Look.
is it at? Oh. Oh, wow. It hit like the one spot that was white. I'll just put a little bleach on that bitch.
True.
A little bit of bleach.
Alright, get the clean. Team Jordy in this bitch.
Get the fuck out of here with that shit. Anyways, Team Brooke in this bitch. You already know. I know I keep saying that. But I feel like that was really good. My throat's kind of fucked up, but it was pretty good. So, go ahead. Like the video. Comment which team you on because you already know we winning. Team Brooke's winning.
Bro, get your fingers out my nappy ass head. Thank you.
And we will see y'all next time. Toodaloo.